off-road to find, or try to find, some white rocks that somebody has been working on to build like a little round campsite area. That's what I'm guessing it's for. I don't know what it's for, but I saw it on the map and I want to go out here and see if we can locate it. Okay, we have this direction or that direction. Which way should we go? I think that way takes us straight to the edge. I think those rocks over there are what we're looking for. So let's go this direction. And this, I think we are here. I'm gonna park right there. And let's go and take a look, shall we? Are you ready? Oh, wow. That is a big edge. Got more stairs here. What is this? That's dangerous. Amir, where are you? There he is. Okay. Actually, really pretty. You ready to go home? Okay, let's go home. It's time to go home.